Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. And I forgot to film an intro. That is why I'm doing it right now, and it's getting dark outside. But yeah, that was super weird. Like, I never forget to film an intro. But anyway, here we are. So I'm trying out this new foundation and I have it on right now. Leave a comment down below how you think this looks. I'll also be trying out these new products that I got at Target along with this foundation, and you will see how I like those. Without further ado, I don't really like how this looks, so I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, join the family, and yeah, keep on watching. So I went to Target the other day. I was running out of foundation and I was running out of setting spray, and I wanted to get a primer because I don't really use primer, so I wanted to try it out. So I went to Target and I picked up like 4 things. So first, which is the reason why I'm doing this video, is I got the new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And yo, it was kind of hard trying to figure out the foundation shade that I am, because I watch Alyssa Ashley, I watch Symphony Soto, and I watch Face Over Matter, and they're all kind of light skinned. Symphony Soto uses this one, which is 312 Golden, but she looks paler than me. But right now I low-key do look pale. But anyway, and then I thought that I was gonna be Alyssa Ashley's shade, but she uses like 320 something, I don't know. And then so does Face Over Matter. So I got 312. I put it on the back of my hand, and the back of my hand is like my face, so I was like, this should work. So we gonna see. If not, I'm about to be upset. Next, I got this setting spray, which is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set. I don't think I tried this before. And then I also got Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, the dewy one, because I don't really like to be matte. I like to be dewy, glowy, you know. So yeah, I got this. I didn't go all out and get like a really good primer or whatever, because I just wanted to see how primers work, because I don't use primers. So this one was about, yikes, how much was it? $4.99, so like $5. This was like the cheapest primer there, so yeah. I also got the L'Oreal Paris Halloumi highlighter, and this is in the shade 506 Sunlight. And it's like a rose gold, and if you know me, you know my favorite color is rose gold. So this was a must. This was a must. And I do believe that they just came out with this, and I wasn't aware until I went to Target. So yeah, this costs $11.99. So it better be good if it's costing me $12, because I got a $6 highlighter, and that's bomb. So, and then lastly, I got this little Wet n Wild lipstick. I got Bare It All. It's kind of like this mauve nudish type color, I guess. I just picked it up because I thought it was pretty, you know, why not? So yeah, let's get into this video. And I'm standing up because the sunlight is out, and if I sit down, the sunlight will be beaming on my face, and I didn't want that. I'm gonna moisturize my face with Nivea Smooth Daily Moisture Body Lotion. It's like super duper moisturizing, and I love it. So y'all ain't gotta use this, but I'm about to use it. I'm just about to put like just that much on. Don't really need a lot. Alright, next I'm gonna try out this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. See how this works. I don't really know how to use primer, but whatever. This is weird. It got a tint to it. You see? Wait, you probably can't see. But yeah, it's like the color of my skin. I thought it was about to be clear or something, but okay. Okay, so that feels like a moisturizer, to be honest. And it doesn't smell like anything either, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so I finished with my brows. I just used the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Looks like this. Alright, so now for the foundation. Like I said, I got the shade 312 Honey, or no, not Honey, Golden. and I'm hoping this matches me. I don't know what should I do, like put it like this? Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna start off with 2 pumps. Can y'all see that? Okay. Yikes. This might... Yo, I'm looking casket ready. The thing is, when I went to buy this foundation, it was a jump from 312 to 325. Not 25, 320. And I put them both on the back of my hand, and 320 or 312 looked the most like my skin tone, and then 320 was super duper like orangey and darker than me. So I was like, nah, like I even asked my dad because he was in the store with me. I even asked him like which one best looks like my skin tone, and he was like, definitely this one, because the other one was super orange and there was like a really big jump, and I don't understand that. This is just one coat, and let me get a mirror. Right off the bat, you guys can tell on camera that I look super duper like casket ready. In person, it looks pink, and I don't understand that. I have more yellow undertones, I guess, but this ain't it. And I'm wondering if I can, like, you know, finesse it and make it so that it matches my skin color a little bit more. And also this says that it's full coverage. I don't see that right now. Maybe I need to add like another layer to see. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yo, I look so pale. I am not feeling this at all. The coverage is cool. Like I see with the second layer, it's cool. But this shade is not okay. Like I need to mix it with another foundation. My L'Oreal True Match that I swear by is way better color wise than this, but that is way more liquidy and watery than this. But I love the shade that I have in that True Match better than this one. Yo, this is pink. Why? I like to look golden. This make me look casket ready. I'm gonna try to overlook the ashiness and see if I can finesse this. I don't think I can though. But anyway, let's see how it works with my concealer that I absolutely love. It's the L'Oreal True Match concealer in warm, light, medium. Let's see. Okay, so I blended in my concealer and it blended in really well. I'm happy with that. But like, I don't think you guys understand how pink this looks. Like my neck to my face, like there's a clear difference. Super annoying, and I don't even know if I can finesse it. Like I'm gonna like bronze and all of that, as you guys will see, but like I don't think I can do this. But anyway, next we're gonna move on to contouring my face. I still am not happy with it. It's just a no. Like, why am I pink? Why am I cascade ready? Why am I ashy? I got so many questions. Like, my neck is not matching, and I can't get with that. My neck is not matching. Moving on, I'm going to set my face. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm like literally not even into this because I really had high hopes for this foundation, and just for me to apply it and it be red on me, not red but like pink. I've watched so many other YouTubers review this and they didn't have this problem, so I'm like, what the heck? And I watched YouTubers that had the same or similar skin tone as me, so for them to like it and for me to try this and not like it, I'm just really like upset right now. Next, I'm going to contour using this IT Cosmetics anti-aging matte bronzer in this little palette that they have. Guys, I'm so confused right now. So I just took a picture in the sunlight and it actually looks good. It looks like my skin. I'm about to show y'all. So it does not look ashy or red or anything like that. I'm trying so y'all can see without the glare. But yeah, do y'all see that? It looks good. I don't know what I'm seeing right now. So what am I on now? Yeah, I'm doing this highlight. So I'm going to spray my face first and then apply my highlight because I feel like that's just how you get the best payoff. I'm going to spray with my new setting spray from L'Oreal. Alright, so I took some in the cap and I'm going to dip my brush in it just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see, but I only put that much in there. Woo! Tap it off. Yikes, probably put too much on it. Oh! My, I didn't even swipe. I just put it on there, just dabbed it. I am so shook, y'all. Oh, y'all see this? Didn't dip my brush back into it. Wow. I'm gonna dip it a little bit more. Tap it. Wow, that is so pretty. Y'all see that, right? Okay. This is so, I'm in love. I am so in love. Put some on the forehead, you know. Still iffy about the foundation though. That ain't changed, but now that that's done, I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyes. Just about to do something simple, and then I'm gonna come right back and I gotta do my hair too. It's not like how I want it, but anyway, I'm gonna come back after that and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So my final thoughts on this foundation is that I'm kind of iffy, you know, because like I said throughout the whole video, I look pink. Like, I like to look golden, I like to look glowy, but on camera it looks amazing. That's why I'm like, what the heck? And in pictures it looks amazing, but it's one thing to see it in pictures and on camera versus in person. So when I wear this in person, people are going to be like, wow, like she looks pink, and I don't want that. And I tried to finesse it as best as I could, and I think you guys can tell with me that it turned out really good. And it's like a bomb foundation. Like, I love the coverage, I love the feel of it. Like, to be honest, like, it does not feel cakey, and it does not feel like full coverage foundation, but it is, and that's amazing. I love how glowy, and like I just love how glowy I look. I don't know, I'm gonna try to position the camera around the room so you guys can see in different lighting how I look. So this is in like daylight, you know, not much shade, and then this is me further away from the window, and it still looks good. It still looks good. So this is the picture I just took on Snapchat, and as you can see, it looks really good. I didn't put a filter on it or anything, and I'm really matching. The only thing I will say, I don't know if you guys can see, but the highlight leaves, like, you can tell where you put your highlight is what I'm trying to say. Like, you know when the sunlight isn't hitting your highlight and you low-key have a shadow where it is? This highlight does that. I don't know if I put too much on. But that's how it's looking in pictures, and you can kind of tell on the camera as well. But to be honest, that doesn't bother me as much. I still love this highlight. I'm still gonna continue to use this highlight. So yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, and I hope it's not too long. Hopefully I can edit it down so that it's probably around 10 minutes, hopefully. Probably not though, but I hope you guys stay till the end. And if you're wondering the lip combo I'm wearing, I put 2 lip glosses together. I use the Maybelline Brilliant Shine lip gloss, and this is in Coral. Super duper pretty. It's kind of sheer though, that's why I paired it with this. This is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle. This is one of my favorite ones. It's so pretty, and I mixed these two together to get this peachy look. I was kind of going for a peachy look today. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys get that vibe, that peachy vibe, but yeah, that's what I was trying to do today. So yeah, hopefully you love this look like I love this look. And to be honest, Maybelline, you did your stuff with this foundation. I kind of think I have to get used to this, and I have to continue to wear it to get used to it. And yeah, I don't know if this oxidizes or what, but like it's not looking as pink as it did in the beginning. So yeah, I'm kind of, you know, teeter-tottering on the scale of like 10 being the absolute best foundation ever and 1 being the absolute worst. I'm like, I don't know, it's like somewhere in between. It's probably like, I give it probably like a 6.5, 7, just because I love to be golden, and I'm not getting that from this. But nonetheless, it's pretty, and if you guys want to go out and try it, I suggest you go out and try it. It's really hot right now, so go to your Walmart, Target, Walgreens, wherever they sell it at, get you one just to see how you like it, you know, you never know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys stay to the end. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit, I don't know if I got a bell. A lot of YouTubers have a bell. I don't know if I have a bell because I'm not really big or whatever. But if I do, make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss when I upload another video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!